Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth video of the Django tutorial in which we will discuss how to update, delete and insert data in Django. If you are newcomer to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel. First of all, go to the terminal, take a new terminal here. Go to your project. My project name is new project. cd new project. Okay, to operate on this model, go to the shell command, python manage.py, go to shell. Okay, to operate on this model, member model, import that model here in the shell command from members, where our model is in the member app. Okay, members dot models import model. This is our import member. This is our model name. Okay, to see all members in this member table or in this member model, run this command member dot objects dot all. Queue reset is empty, there is no record till yet. We have to add some records into that member table or in this member model. For inserting records, we have to create a member object member for the member model. Member first. Okay, member first name. This first name is equal to Khan. Last name John. Okay, first member is created. We have to add some more members into that member table. Okay, last name Kaka, first name Mama. Okay, member second. Third member Rawi, first name is John. Okay, third member. Fourth member Ahmad, last name is Ahmad. Mahmoud. Okay, fourth member. To add these members into the member table or into the member model, we have to create some list for that. Members list. Okay, member first, member second, member third and member fourth. Okay, to save this list, member list, we have to run for loop for this. For x n members list. Okay, x dot save. To see all members in the member table, run this command member dot objects dot all dot values. To see all members values in the member model, run this command. This command should be run. Member dot objects dot all dot values. Okay. To see all members values in the member model, run this command member dot objects dot all dot values. Okay, this is the first record. This is the second record, and so on. Now I am going to update this John last name with some other name like Kabel. So now for update this last name with Kabel, so run this command member dot objects dot all, in which index this record is, in the first index. Okay, in the 0 index. To update this last name, we have to create an object x member dot objects dot all dot index name, in which index this last name is, in the 0 index. Okay, x dot first name is Khan with Kabul or Nangarhar. X dot last name with Kunar. Okay, now I am going to test whether the record has updated or not. Member dot objects dot all dot values x dot save. Okay, now run these commands again. Okay, our record is successfully updated. First name Ningarhar, last name Kunar. Now I am going to delete this record which is in the first index. To delete this record, we have to create some object x member dot objects dot all. We have to specify the index 0, and which index this record is, in the 0 index. Okay, now delete this record x dot delete. One record is deleted. Which record? In the first index. Okay, to see whether the record is deleted or not, member dot objects dot all dot values. Okay, the first record is deleted successfully. Look at this. The first name is Mama and the last name is Kaka. In the previous record, the first name was Ningarhar, the last name was Kunar. Okay. So now I am going to update this member model with 2 more fields. Okay. Then migrate this again, Control S. Python manage.py, make migrations. Okay. Select the second option. Okay. Then update this field null true. Null should be allowed. Null true. Okay, then save it and migrate this again. Python manage.py, make migrations. Okay. Added 2 fields into member model. Then migrate this. Python manage.py, migrate. Okay. Our migration is successfully applied. To operate on this member model, navigate to the shell command, Python manage.py, shell. Okay. Import this member model here in the shell command from member from members. This members is our app name, this. Okay. Dot models, import member model, this model. Okay. Member. I am going to check whether our member model has records or not. Member dot objects dot all dot values. Okay. Query set is empty now. There is no record in the member model. Now I am going to add some records into this member model. Okay. Then I am going to create an object for this member model. Member first, member first name, Lala, last name, Kaka. Okay. Phone, and joined it. Date 2022 015. Okay, invalid token. This error is occurred. Because of that, here is the field is integer. Okay. 0 is not included in the integer at the first. Then save this member first dot save. Okay, to check it, member dot objects dot all dot values. Look at this. This is the record which is inserted into our member model. Thank you for watching.